In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view pages on Squarespace. Let's keep this simple and clear. When you first sign into Squarespace, your workspace is organized around the left-hand side menu. That panel is your control center. To get to your site's pages, start by clicking Website in that left pane. This brings you into the core area where you manage what visitors ultimately see on your site. Next, click Pages. This is the dedicated space for seeing the structure of your site at a glance. The moment you open it, you'll be looking at the full list of pages that make up your website. Think of it like the table of contents for your site. It shows what exists, how things are grouped, and what visitors can navigate to. What you see here can vary depending on your site's setup, but typically you'll notice sections that separate your primary navigation from other areas. Main pages that appear in your site's top menu will be grouped together, while other pages that aren't part of the main menu may appear in a separate area. You might also notice visual cues or icons that hint at the type or status of a page, such as item collections, index style groups, or pages that are hidden from navigation. This overview helps you understand your site's structure without having to open each page individually. If your site has grown over time, this list is a quick way to confirm what's live, what's internal, and what's set aside for later. It's also helpful for orienting yourself before making broader changes, because you can see how everything fits together. For example, if you plan to adjust navigation later, this view gives you the big picture first so you can make smarter decisions. A quick note about what you might encounter as you look around. Depending on your template and version, you may see sections labeled for navigation, items that are not linked, or areas like a footer. That's normal and simply reflects how Squarespace organizes content behind the scenes. Don't worry if you see a mix of different page types. The Pages view is designed to show them side by side so you always know what you have. And that's really it. By clicking Website on the left pane and then clicking Pages, you can instantly view the full list of pages on your Squarespace site. Use this space as your home base whenever you want to understand your site's layout at a glance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.